Hello guys, here at the site with an update concerning where we've reached. Now we've progressed and have reached at a very good level. We've reached actually at the level where we can put the beam. So we thank God for this progress, and we thank God for all our donors around the world. So let me just move and you see where we've reached.
Waliyo wele papa we bafubi, waliyo wele umuyeti we banamulekwa bose, ulinda binywinywi mubanga nebisolo mumezi. Waliyo wele, waliyo wele, waliyo wele, waliyo wele, isi wisaya, niyo hulinda. Waliyo wele, waliyo wele, isi wisaya, niyo huyeta. Waliyo wele ufuga bulisindu, waliyo wele, wele weba wele bosi, uhakona na mwesa ungumila umuhumbi wa bulisindu. Yoniye wele, yoniye wele, waliyo wele,
So I want to thank you all for watching today's video. Thank you for always supporting the programs that we are carrying out. May God bless you.